This video is going to teach you how to use the Team Jacob Vizzlie template in your Facebook party. Make sure you're in groups on Facebook and then head to create a new group on that left-hand column. Name your group whatever is relevant. So whether that's your beauty party, your launch party, if you want to have one group that you use for all of your parties, name it something generic. I'd recommend choosing a private privacy setting and making the group visible so people have to request an invite. Next up, we're going to head to the new beauty party group and just make sure that you get that set up with all of the information, add a header, make it personalized. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a party link in your back office. So sign into your Seint official account, head to back office, parties. You're going to click the create new button. And from here, make sure the party's under you unless one of your customers is the hostess. And then just name this link whatever you'd like. So I'm going to name this beauty party because that's what my Facebook party was named. If you're going to have a link that you want to use for months and months, maybe name it something different. And then right here is where you're going to be able to copy your party link from. So I copied it now. That's going to be the URL, but we're going to come back. So leave this tab open. Next, we're going to head to Vizzlie. You can connect this to your Facebook, log right in, and then on the left side column, go to Teams. Our team code is JU Seint, all caps. Click Find a Team, and then request to join the team. You'll automatically be approved. That's how we have it set it up for you guys. So then on the left column, scroll down, and then within Teams, you're going to head to the Facebook templates. This one is for the Beat the Box contour class. So go ahead and click that, copy that to your personal, so you have a copy of that in your own Vizzlie account and you're not using the team one, and then go to the template. So from here, you've got all your posts scheduled, so you can click on one and edit it and kind of check it out. You're able to edit any of the text that you don't like or that you want to switch for your party, and then any of these little spots we're going to fix later, so don't worry about those and I'll show you how to use them. If you want to change the image, that's where you would do that. You can also preview the post. So this is what it would look like when it's posted into Facebook. Then you can just check out the rest of the posts, make sure that they're how you want them, edit them to your liking, and then head to groups, go to your beauty party or whatever you've called it, and make sure that's turned off. You're going to import the Beat the Box contour class. If I want my party in a week, I'm going to click the 22nd, change the time, say we're doing it at 7 p.m. And then you can either do all of the posts or the selected posts. So say there's one that just doesn't resonate with your party, you can just make sure it's not selected and then load that template into your beauty group. So from here, as you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that there's some text replacements, and that's what we were talking about earlier. So anytime it says party time /date in any of those posts, it's going to replace it with this replacement that you type here. So for my party, for example, I'm going to do January 22nd at 7 p.m., and then I'm going to save that. So I'm going to make this really quick, but you're just going to have to make sure that you type something for each of these different things. So the party link is the key part where you're going to head back to your back office, copy your party link we just created, and replace that there. So when someone is checking out from your Facebook, they want to go buy some makeup, it will be sure to be placed in that party. So this is really important if you're having a customer hostess, because then they'll be receiving those credits. So I've just kind of sped up doing the rest, and it won't let you continue on until you fix all of these text replacements, which is kind of nice. So none of them will be left undone, and you can choose to do this with or without prizes. Either works. So you would just delete the segment that you didn't want for the scheduled posts. So from here, we're going to go back to Facebook, and we just need to change our Facebook settings to allow Vizzlie access. So go to your personal page settings, privacy, regular settings, and then on the left side you're going to go to business integrations. And within business integrations, Vizzlie should already be connected. If it's not, go ahead and add that. And then the second thing we need to do is head back to groups, go to your beauty party, and then the settings of that beauty party on the left side, scroll down a little bit, it's in the settings. And then if you scroll down quite a bit, you'll see apps. So we're going to need to add Vizzlie and allow the access here. So you're going to add apps, and then on the left side, there's a search bar. Just type in Vizzlie and go ahead and click it. And then once you add it, it's going to allow the template access to schedule those posts and post them for you. You're not going to have to do any more copying and pasting. So then posting, it needs to be turned on once you flip the toggle. And it will tell you when the first post will go out. So if you remember, that welcome post was set to post 7 days before the party. So that would be the 19th. And then it has a countdown for you. So you're able to see how long until your first post. So if you're familiar with Facebook parties, it's not going to be in those scheduled posts anymore. All of those will be viewable right here. So you can edit those, make sure they're all set to go ahead of time.